Due to the similarities in their blockchains, cryptocurrency enthusiasts frequently compare Stellar and Ripple to get a feeling of which of these two cryptocurrencies will come out on top in the long run. You should look at them both closely and then compare them. In this video, we will compare Stellar, Lumens, and Ripple. What are they, and what are the differences between them? What is Stellar? Stellar is a peer-to-peer digital currency network that was introduced in 2015. Jed McCaleb, a programmer from the United States, is the co-founder and CTO of Stellar. The network's design makes it simple to send faster and cheaper cross-border payments. Stellar's protocol includes a decentralized exchange that enables users to exchange currencies quickly and efficiently. Lumens, or XLM, are Stellar's cryptocurrency tokens. While Stellar and XLM coexist in the same system, they are not the same thing. Stellar is the blockchain network's foundation, and Lumens are the network's currency. There are currently 50 billion lumens in circulation. Stellar will no longer produce lumens, so you will be unable to mine them. Here's how Stellar works. Imagine someone wants to transfer $50,000, but doesn't have access to a bank that can complete the transaction. Instead, this person could transfer the equivalent of $50,000 in lumens. The recipient could then transfer the lumens for $50,000 or the equivalent amount in another currency. Finally, clearing times are reduced and no banks are required on either end of the transaction. What is Ripple? Ripple, unlike other forms of cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, is built on a hash tree rather than a blockchain. XRP cannot be mined because there are only 100 billion coins available. Blockchain is a type of database that collects data in groups or blocks. Each new piece of information that follows a newly added block is combined to form a new block, which is then added to the chain. Ripple functions similarly to blockchain in that transactions are processed by multiple nodes. Someone sends a transaction, the information is assigned a single value and sent to a shared public database. Validating servers or nodes share the information, and the transaction is authorized and processed if separate servers report a match. Differences between Stellar and Ripple. Functionality. While Ripple focuses on its main use case of low cost and fast international payments, Stellar does more. Stellar allows users to exchange their assets for others on the Stellar network. In other words, Stellar includes an exchange. Meanwhile, Ripple requires you to take your XRP somewhere else to exchange it for another asset. Stellar supports smart contracts, implying that XLM is more than just money, but programmable money. For example, you can create your own initial coin offering, or ICO, using XLM smart contracts, in which you sell a Stellar-based token to fund the development of a blockchain project. Decentralization. Ripple only allows a small number of people or organizations, typically banks or other large corporations, to participate in consensus or reaching an agreement on and validating transactions. In contrast, Stellar allows anyone to participate in the consensus process. Moreover, Ripple's image was seriously damaged when it froze Jed McCaleb's XRP holdings after he left the Ripple organization. While this was later resolved, it violated one of the main tenets of cryptocurrency: censorship resistance, or the ability for anyone to participate in financial transactions without fear of censorship. Inflation. Ripple's total supply is fixed, whereas Stellar has annual inflation of 1%. Ripple also eliminates all transaction fees. Ripple is thus deflationary, supply decreases over time, whereas Stellar is inflationary, supply increases over time. According to the economic theory of supply and demand, as Ripple's supply decreases and XRP becomes more scarce, its price should rise, assuming demand for XRP increases or stays the same. With Stellar, the opposite effect occurs as increased supply puts downward pressure on price. Stellar and Ripple are two technologies with some excellent cryptocurrencies. XLM and XRP have gained traction in recent years, with XRP gaining the most capital overall. It is more focused on banks, whereas XLM is more focused on individuals. Thank you guys for watching. don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button if you like what we do, and I will see you in the next video.